Okay, this is from my good friend Rock Betty. She has sent me a slab from the great state of Oregon. And she said there was going to be a couple of other goodies in here as well. I probably should have opened the box first, knowing how coordinated I am at opening things. But I'm excited. I love getting things in the mail. And hopefully I won't botch this too abysmally trying to get it out. I've got a note. Wow, she just said a few things. I think there's more than a few things here. Okay. She says, "Hi Rick, you rock. Thank you for your support and all those kind words. When I get the polka dot slab, I'll send you more. Betty." Wow. That's very kind of you, young lady. I truly appreciate it. Okay, oh my. So, let's just put this right up front here. Wow, that's beautiful. Get a little bit closer here. Get a little bit of spritz on there. And get a little bit better light too. Wow, that's pretty. Let me zoom in just a bit. Wow, that's beautiful. My wife said she was going to join me, but I don't hear any noises in the background there. Oops, I turned my water off, apparently. No, I didn't. I'm just getting coordinated. There we go. And this is a slab she cut in her last video, I think. Well, one of her recent videos. It is gorgeous. I'm hoping I'm getting enough light on it for everybody to see here. Get a little bit closer again. Beautiful. All right. Moving right along. All right, I think my fingers are wet enough to get that wet. I need some more light here. Okay, let me just do it this way. Oops, that's a little too much. Okay. All right, that is much better. Wow. That's too much light. Gone from not enough to way too much. Let's try it that way. Hey Tracy. Yeah. Can you come here and help me just a little bit? My wonderful significant other. If I didn't have, I would be lost on a daily basis. Could you untwist that wire for me?
To it. Okay.
So I believe this is some of her pet wood. She's also highlighted in her skills. Let's see.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
This is just the
So I'm just trying to arrange this so that it can be used well. Could you hold that for me? It's not going to stay. without you holding it. Have a seat if you're not too cold.
Just trying to get to this cushion.
So here's the first side and the second side. Got some nice color in it. There's another slab. Let me just go ahead and spritz both these. Oops, would help I spritz that one too. Oh, some nice agate there. And if you hold the light up behind it, which, let's see. There we go. Ooh, that's a nice. What color is that, Trace? That sort of pink? Oops, y'all can't see that at all.
The edge, it has kind of purplish color.
That's beautiful. Sorry, I hope I haven't blinded everybody in the audience, whoever that might be with that. All right, and here's some more of the pet wood. Showing my sincere lack of video skills here. That's beautiful.
It is pretty.
Nice mix of colors in
Where's
there.
that from?
This is from Oregon.
Okay.
I'm not sure exactly where. Sorry about the rocking of the camera there. You getting tired? Okay.
Just trying
Okay. Put that there. Then another piece. Wow. Look at that, Trace. This is beautiful stuff, Betty. I appreciate you sending me this. Sharing your hard work. Okay. And she has on here, these are agates from Cape Mears. They gotta be good. It's got a smiley face on it. Okay. Oops. I'm dropping them on the... Oh, it's a heart shape. It's gotta be great. Wow.
That's pretty.
I got a heart. I like the, oops, showing my sincere lack of hand-eye coordination. Oh, look at that wrinkly finger there. Turn it around. Wow. That's not doing very well. Get a little bit closer. How's that? It's trying for me. That's beautiful. I'll try to get a better view of that in a moment. And another spritz here. Just spritz these in general. Yeah, it would help if I'd spritz that one. All right. Talk to me about colors here, Trace, please. Here, you hold it.
Put it through there. Can you see through that?
Yes.
And you turn and help it any. I
Yeah,
can't see.
just rotate it. You're good where you are.
All right.
Just rotate it completely.
Trying.
No, this way. Okay. There we go.
Okay.
Very nice. All right, here's another one. You could be my hand model. How's that? I like that one. It's another somewhat heart-shaped, or that's the same one. I knew that. You want to do this one now? This one's got some host rock on it.
What's the host rock?
That's what the agate formed in.
Right, but what is it?
As black as it is, I'm guessing basalt.
Okay.
What color is that? Here, you take it again, please.
Can you see it? Am I within the range of where you need it?
Mm-hmm. What do you think?
Oh, it's got a little bit of gray, but do you see the eyes? It's almost like over here, it's almost like a tiger or something in there. Do you see it?
Yeah. It's beautiful. Mm-hmm. Get a little bit closer. Mm-hmm. So we can capture what you're talking about. Wow.
Yeah.
It's almost like bubbly water too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can set it down.
Okay.
Like your hand's a lot less shaky than mine is. Hang on just a moment. Okay, we're gonna try part 2 here. We have some obsidian. Oh, unbag it. Wow. Whoa. This looks like it's already been made wet. Wow. How do I capture this? It is so shiny. It's just like peering into the abyss. Well, that piece is a lot easier. See if I can capture the... Let me try spraying it. I don't think that's going to do anything, but... There's some sheen. Beautiful. All right, let's look at the other piece. Backlight it a little bit. It would have helped if I'd actually sprayed it. Okay. So this is the beautiful stuff that Betty has sent me. We have our obsidian. This is the piece that I commented on the first time. It is just absolutely beautiful that she promptly said she'd send me a slab of, and I'm so glad she did. And I don't know if this is pet wood or not, but it's gorgeous, whatever it is. Okay. And here are our port earls. Cape Mirror's not even close. Agates. They're just absolutely beautiful. I need to hit those with the UV, except that I don't have it with me at the moment. Here's some more pet wood, which is just glowing. And then this piece of beautiful agate. Let me hold that up against the light again. Oops, Captain Shaky Hands. And once again, Betty Rock, Betty, you rock. I wish I had some music to put this to. But thanks again. And I'm going to repay you because you were very generous. And I like being able to repay generosity. Thanks again. Bye.